Hey there, art enthusiasts and tech aficionados. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever dreamed of generating stunning images just by typing a few words, then you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the fascinating world of DALL-E, an innovative AI model developed by OpenAI that creates images from text descriptions. So, grab your creativity and let's explore how DALL-E works and what makes it so special. But first, what exactly is DALL-E, and how does it manage to turn our words into amazing visual art? Let's find out. DALL-E is an AI program that uses a variant of the GPT-3 architecture to generate images from textual descriptions. Think of it as a talented artist that can interpret your words and bring them to life visually. The name DALL-E is a clever mashup of the famous surrealist artist Salvador Dali and the animated robot Wall-E from Pixar, reflecting its creative and imaginative capabilities. So, how does it work? At its core, DALL-E has been trained on a massive data set of images and their corresponding captions. This training allows it to understand the relationships between different objects, styles, and concepts. When you input a text prompt, DALL-E analyzes the words, identifies key elements, and constructs an image that matches your description. Let's take a look at some examples. If you were to type a prompt like a two-headed flamingo wearing a top hat, DALL-E would not only recognize that a flamingo is a bird often associated with pink colors, but also understand the quirky combination of having two heads and a top hat. The result? A whimsical, imaginative image that you might not expect to see in real life. Another fascinating aspect of DALL-E is its ability to produce images in various artistic styles. You could ask for a landscape painting in the style of Van Gogh, or a futuristic cityscape in cyberpunk style, and DALL-E will generate images that reflect those specific artistic influences. This opens up a world of possibilities for artists, designers, and anyone looking to visualize their ideas. Now, let's talk numbers. According to OpenAI, DALL-E can generate a wide variety of images based on the same prompt, producing multiple interpretations. This means that if you ask for a cat playing chess, you might receive several distinct images, each with its own unique take on that scenario. This variety shows the model's ability to think creatively and explore different angles, much like human artists do. DALL-E's capabilities extend beyond simple image generation. It can also combine concepts, attributes, and styles in ways that are truly groundbreaking. For instance, if you input an avocado chair, DALL-E will create an image that merges the shapes and colors of an avocado with the form of a chair, resulting in a visually striking and imaginative piece of furniture art. Let's break down the process of how DALL-E generates these incredible images. When you submit a text prompt, the following steps occur. 1. Text encoding. DALL-E first converts your text input into a numerical format that it can understand. This involves breaking down the words into tokens and understanding their meanings in context. 2. Image generation. Using a neural network, DALL-E generates an image that corresponds to the encoded text. It does this by predicting pixel values based on the relationships it learned during training. 3. Refinement. DALL-E refines the image through a process called sampling, where it iteratively adjusts the image to align more closely with the intended description. This helps it create details and textures that enhance the overall quality. For a final output, once the image meets the criteria, DALL-E presents the final artwork for you to see. DALL-E1, introduced in 2021, used a transformer-based architecture and generated 256 by 256 pixel images, excelling at novel concepts like a Picasso-style painting of a centaur. DALL-E2, released in April 2022, was a significant upgrade, using a diffusion model for improved image quality and resolution up to 1024 by 1024 pixels. It also introduced in-painting and out-painting capabilities, allowing users to edit and expand existing images seamlessly. The latest iteration, DALL-E3, launched in September 2023, further enhances prompt following with up to 2 times better accuracy on complex instructions. It generates high-resolution images at 1792 by 1024 and handles nuanced details like spatial relationships and artistic influences more precisely. Powered by improved diffusion techniques and larger training data, DALL x E3 supports styles from cyberpunk to classical art, processing prompts up to 400 characters. So, to recap, DALL x E is a powerful AI image generation tool that translates text prompts into stunning visuals by understanding the relationship between words and images. Its ability to create unique, imaginative artworks opens up exciting possibilities for creativity and innovation. Whether you're an artist looking for inspiration, a designer in need of visual concepts, or simply someone who enjoys exploring the boundaries of technology and art, DALL x E offers a fantastic platform to unleash your imagination. If you found today's video enlightening, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content about technology and creativity. And tell us in the comments, what would you like DALL x E to create for you? Until next time, keep dreaming and creating.